Got it all put together now. I think it looks awesome. Way better than that gloss black stuff, because that stuff just got so grimy all the time. I don't know why. It just like attracted everything. Maybe this will be a little bit better. Only thing I noticed is we did have to slam this pretty hard to get it to close. Maybe it'll get easier over time. But that's just because the extra height on this, you have to hit that a little bit harder. Not a big deal though. Other than that, I think it looks awesome and just makes the interior look way nicer in my opinion. Just move the mounting position a little bit. So now it's actually flat against it instead of with the mounting bracket. So it's actually pushed further back. I think it looks nice, kind of flush with it. Maybe you could see it better like this. And it's covering half of that symbol right there.